How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. I'm here in Tracy, California, checking out this restaurant before I go to work. It's called Pho Noodle Grill. And so it's a Vietnamese restaurant, and I'm gonna go ahead and try out their food today. So with that said, please stick with me and I hope you enjoy the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, the link is right here. You can just press that and hopefully I'll gain you as a subscriber. So I thank you very much. So with that said, are you hungry? Because I sure am. Alright, so I'm here at Pho Noodle Grill. I'm going to order from this menu here. Yeah, I'm ready to order. Okay, I'm going to do so this is the special that comes with everything. So I'll probably do that a medium size. How big is a medium size bowl?
Medium is
That big? Should we do a large? Oh yeah, let's try it. Let's go a large just in case.
large.
Yeah, I'll do a large.
If you're not fit, I give you a box.
Okay, yeah. I ordered the number 20. Dak Viet. Number 20. Dak Viet. It's the combination special. I got it in a large. So we got a variety of spices here. See some chili sauce. Chili oil. Got the chili sauce, chili oil. Right here, we got the fish sauce. Okay. Alright, so we got the food here. The combination special large. And it is actually quite large. And what you typically do with these, the pho bowl, is you take these veggies they gave me. And usually I put the mint leaf inside. Now to kind of rip off the mint leaf. Just like that. Just like that. And add some of these sprouts here inside of the soup. Okay. And the jalapenos. Definitely put the jalapenos inside. And then squeeze the lemon with it. Just like that. Generous amounts of lemon. And you can kind of just eat it by itself without any of the veggies or anything. But then I typically like to add the sauce as well. So I'll add the hoisin sauce into the food here. This is a hoisin-based sauce. I'm gonna squirt that on here. And they have the fish sauce as well. I'll put some fish sauce on it. Just about there. A little more. Get it nice and salty. And then you could either put sriracha. I don't have sriracha here. Sometimes they do. Oh, they do. I see sriracha. Let me grab it. So I take the sriracha to give it a little bit more spice. Just like that. And there's also some chili oil. And I'll actually do a little bit of that as well. Sriracha should be enough, but for me, I like to have a little bit of that chili oil. Just like that. Okay. Now you can kind of mix everything up together here. Give it a good stir. And the combination bowl here has the briskets. I have a brisket here. This is the beef ball. They have beef ball inside of it. Some of the flank steak. You have some tendons for the beef and some more other meaty pieces. So let's go ahead and give this a try here. I'm done enough talking and it's time to eat. Well, first of all, I'm gonna go try the soup first here. Now that it's mixed in. Here's that soup. Alright. That's a good broth right there. Not too spicy, nice and warm on this cool day. Alright, let's give this a bite. Yum. Oh, that's good. Oh man. I have the beef ball right here. Give the beef ball a bite. I need a plate to dip some of the meat in. So I'm just going to scoop this over. And what I typically do with some dipping sauce is I'll pour that hoisin on here and then add that sriracha on top, just like that. And add some of that chili oil, which is a lot more spicier than the sriracha. So there you have it, a dipping sauce here for the meat. So I have a rice noodle. Yeah, they said it was egg noodle, but it's rice noodle. Give that another slurp here. I'm dig in and try to get some of that meat. Get some of that meat here and pour this, dip it into the sauce here. Like that. Alright. Yeah. Now the meat's kind of chewy, but that's okay because it's really thin slice of meat. Yeah, they're really thin slices of beef, and it gives it that good, nice hoisin, chili, sriracha mix with the sauce on there. Nice kick to it. A great balance of chewiness, tenderness, and spiciness. The restaurant's getting pretty busy right now. A lot of people are showing up here for the lunchtime. Pho is really that go-to meal when it's kind of, oh thank you. That go-to meal when it's really nice and cool, cold or cool. Pho is a wonderful meal to go to. It has those nice, comfortable, warm feeling to it. Depending on how much you want to spice it up, you could. Or you could just have it just the way it is. That broth is excellent. All across the boards, they have that type of broth. These Vietnamese restaurants. Yeah, it's really delicious. Got a big chunk of that thin slice of beef. I could get it up here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Never had hoisin before. Kind of a sweet barbecue sauce texture, but more in a, if you could say, Asian aromatic flavor. It's really good, real sweet. So I ordered a durian smoothie. If you know what durian is, then you know what I'm talking about. Some call it the stinky fruit because it has a real distinct smell to it, almost like propane gas or gas in general. But to be honest with you, it's probably one of my favorite fruits, and having a smoothie, you just have to try it, kind of get used to it. And yeah, these are one of those acquired fruit flavors. It's not for everybody. You kind of have to acquire the taste. But once you do, I'll tell you what, you're going to want to come back to it. So let's give this here a nice slurp. Oh, that's good. Wow. Oh, man. This is nice and chilled. Nice and chilled. And you have that durian flavor inside of it. Like I said, once you acquire that flavor, that taste, you want to come back for more.
about a smoothie?
Oh, I love it. I'm a big durian fan. I like durian. Yeah, yeah. All right, thanks.
Oh, thank
you very much.
Okay.
All right, take care. All right. All right. Let's get out of here. There you have it. Nice restaurant before I go to work, and definitely a wonderful place to go to if you're ever wanting to try some Vietnamese food here in Tracy, California. The bowl was quite large, so that is definitely a plus. Definitely a nice restaurant to eat at. They have the durian smoothie, and not many of them have that, and I love the durian smoothie. So with that said, I'm gonna rush out of here because I'm running a little bit late. So anyways, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to get more food travel adventures from me. Take care. Bye.